right-to-work front for a while here in Michigan.
But that doesn't mean the idea is dead. Just ask union members who started another attempt to derail it.
Unions aren't waiting around for the bill to start moving through the legislature. News 10's Anthony Sabella shows us how they're getting ahead of the game.
Proposal 2 may have been defeated earlier this month, but as far as its supporters are concerned, the fight for working families is just starting.
We are planning for what might happen in lame duck.
As state lawmakers move into their final sessions of the year, union members are preparing to make their case. The Michigan AFL-CIO is holding 17 meetings across the state this week. The topic, potential battles unions could face as lame duck sessions continue at the Capitol.
There have been some rumors out there that they might take a look at something, for example, like so-called right-to-work legislation, and we're concerned that that wouldn't be anything that would be good for Michigan or for Michigan's working families.
A right-to-work law would prohibit contracts that force workers to join unions. In addition, those workers would get the same benefits as union members. A big problem for unions. It's a heated topic that had cooled off for a while. Until now.
The debate has started in Lansing about freedom to work and whether we should have this legislation.
For right-to-work supporters, the answer to that question has everything to do with keeping Michigan competitive.
We now have several border states that have gone with right-to-work legislation, and they are seeing some success economically with attracting employers.
Those against it disagree.
In those states where right-to-work has been the case, we found that income for working families has been decreased. It hasn't created any jobs.
One thing's for sure, now that the discussion has started, legislators say don't expect it to stop.
The Speaker's willing to continue that debate. It's just a question of whether we're going to do that during lame duck or not.
Anthony Sabella, News 10.
We also spoke with Representative Mike Shirkey, who's been a big supporter of right to work in the past. He wouldn't speak on camera, but says he plans to continue his support whether legislation is passed this year or not. Also, the Chamber of Commerce is now publicly saying it's against it.
Lawmakers haven't figured out what they're going to do about a new emergency